Loué, 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 loué. Gamana tua, hangayana. De loué lut malahi, inahiba. Gamana tua, hangayana. De huit malie, inahiba. Haula tao,
Kukuma tolima,
haula tao,
hautahi iwa.
haula tao,
Kukuma tolima,
haula tao.
kuko te tangata e hoa iau.
Tamilumila, tamilumila,
E, ko manino toko olu.
tamilumila, tamilumila.
Toi hai mai lava ke manino.
Kata kata mai, hihiva mai, kaloki pate, patulue lue.
Hi everyone, so today's dance is called Logo de Pate and it starts like this. So we go hands up and we turn to the left. In 1, 2, 3, 4. And we stay 8 counts and then we open to the front 8 counts. So it goes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? So from this side, if I dance from your side, it goes like this. Loué, 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 loué. And I stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to add a dip. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? From there, we go into the front. We go into the front like this. Do you remember? Hands up again. Hands to the forehead, hands up to the sky, and we go side, 2, 3, is side, 2, 3, again. In up, 2, 3, we go side, 2, 3, is side, 2, 3. Yeah, so it goes like this. We go in front, 2, 3, is stay, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we go back. We go like this. We go up, 2, 3, 4, down, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so with the hits, from the beginning it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, it stays 6, 7, back in 1, 2, 3, dip in 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, yeah, 5, 6, 7, go in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there it goes. Give me your hand. Come back. Give me your hand. Together. Okay, clap. And then again, give your hand, and clap to the side, clap to the side. And it repeats 2 times. Okay, so from here, we step, right, tap, left, tap, right, tap, left again, right, left, and clap, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, tola tao. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Next step. Next step it goes like this. Over here, my head is spinning. And then I go hands up and I go to the left. And then I go back here and I go to the right. Hop. Okay, the feet is going to be tiptoes, on the tiptoes. And I turn. Left, left, and then I go tiptoes again, and I go right, right, with a small circle of the hips. So here, I have my hands on the forehead, and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, turn, and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, turn. Yeah.
Loué, 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 loué. Gamana tua, hangayana.
yau.
Time in the middle, time in the middle.
Eh, ko manino to ko olu.
Time in the middle, time in the middle.
Toi hai mai lava ke manino.
Well done, I hope you enjoyed training together. Please comment below about how helpful you found this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumb up, share and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to check out my online classes. I look forward to see you soon.